ओके तो अब हम जा रहे हैं एक और एपिसोड शूट करने और आज हमारे गेस्ट हैं गौहर खान एंड जैद दरबार।
जरूर थोड़ा जोर से बोलो।
मैं सोहेल खान के साथ था।
फॉर अ पर्सन लाइक यू ऐसी डायरेक्ट अप्रोच काम आती है?
क्या होता है, मर्जाद दूर रहो, क्लियर कर देते हैं। वेडिंग डे वी हैव एंटर्ड इन आवर निकाह आउटफिट्स एंड एवरीबॉडी इज लाइक माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह। इज लाइक मुझे टॉयलेट जाना है, मुझे सोया है।
I took two people with me, they were like holding everything.
As long as you are holding your own. Who handles stress better?
Oh my god, why? You get bukhar in 1 second.
But I handle you so much.
He give you one.
या डांट कौन ज्यादा खाता है?
Why you can ask?
Is it easy to be married to Gauhar?
ओके तो अब हम जा रहे हैं एक और एपिसोड शूट करने डबल डेट का और आज हमारे गेस्ट हैं गौहर खान एंड जैद दरबार। और गौहर जो है वो नेहा की बहुत 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 पुरानी दोस्त।
I've never met Zaid in my life. Have you?
नहीं मैं भी नहीं मिला, मैं कभी गौहर से भी नहीं मिला।
Really?
हाँ ये मेरा
And that's the best part about this show, you know. आप लोग बताते हैं किसको लेकर आए, हम जाहिर सी बात है we reach out to them, some say yes, some say no, some say maybe, some say you know
later.
But you asked for Gauhar Khan and Zaid Darbar and you got them on double date. पहली बार ये अलायंस इन दोनों का डबल डेट पे पहली बार होने वाला है।
जब तुम्हें लिंक देनी होती है तुमसे बेटर लिंक देने वाला कोई बंदा नहीं।
DM लिंक
हाँ।
देख रहे हैं कि नहीं, फीडबैक दीजिए। कई लोगों ने ऑडियो का फीडबैक दिया, हमने वो करेक्ट किया। कई लोगों ने एडिट का फीडबैक दिया, हमने वो करेक्ट किया।
कई लोगों ने कहा अचानक से ना वो
ज्यादा फीडबैक मत दीजिए, नहीं तो हमारी काफी सारी नौकरियां चली जाएंगी।
फीडबैक
ये देखना, कई
लोगों
लोगों
ने ये भी फीडबैक दिया है कि वर्डन बहुत OTT जाता है।
Angad, you start.
Yeah, because not. Oh wow, I have an opportunity here.
Yeah.
I should take it. लेकिन tell me यार, how's life changed for you being a father?
It's honestly मजेदार for me. हाँ, because मुझे ऐसा लगता ही नहीं अभी तक कि मैं बाप बन गया हूँ।
हाँ, he speaks very soft. जरूर थोड़ा जोर से बोलो।
नहीं
What's
but
it like?
मैं सोहेल खान के साथ था।
सोहेल भाई के साथ था ये alliance.
Why? What is the time you need to fight? What do you fight for Gauhar?
Me?
Yeah.
I fight.
मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया तुम्हारे
हाँ।
क्वेश्चन से।
मैं भी
मतलब
हिंदी
you fight with me about my time ना, तुम भी यही बोलते हो कि अगर मैं कहीं कोने में बैठ के सल्क कर रहा हूँ, just आके let's go for a coffee. Same complaint.
अच्छा वैसे।
हाँ.
So it's called coffee.
Angad. It's called coffee
You
on
found
double
it.
date. Everywhere else it's not. Yeah.
Yeah. Honestly, in the last couple of months, I've been the one saying, hello, like, where are you? And then Alliance happened and he was gone for like 42 days, right?
How many days were you gone for? 42.
I think 45.
45.
Yeah, 45.
और वहाँ पे कोई contact कुछ नहीं हुआ.
कुछ भी नहीं।
Well, I have a lot of questions on Alliance. I want to come to that later.
मेरा तो दिमाग अभी तक वहीं है।
हाँ, वहाँ से निकालते हैं. First, let's go to your love story. So,
हाँ यार जैसे
you slipped into her DM.
You did?
हाँ, I did.
Tell us
But-
about that.
I saw her, but I didn't talk to her at Nature's Basket.
The supermarket.
The supermarket.
हाँ.
So basically, we didn't talk to each other, but she was there, like she was there on my
No,
head.
talk to each other क्या? I didn't even
जानो,
know he was
हाँ,
around.
मतलब इनको तो शायद पता भी नहीं था। मैं तो अपने ख्याल में था कि आप देख तो लिया होगा कम से कम, पर नहीं देखा था, बाद में पता चला।
I was with a mask. Let's specify.
Okay, this
ये
is
COVID के time में।
COVID.
COVID
yes.
के time
Okay.
So then how did you identify, okay, this is the
Then
girl with the mask and this
I
is the one
understood
whose
it's
DMs
Gauhar.
I want to slip into?
नहीं, मैं तो एकदम आसानी से समझ गया हूँ ना, गौर है आगे,
हाँ हाँ.
मतलब गौर खाने आगे। मैंने देखा और मैं समझ गया, और मेरे साथ मेरा दोस्त भी था, तो मैंने बोला भी उसे, देखिए गौर ही है भाई, कंफर्म। And then after that I left the thought
No.
there only.
Apparently these guys did everything to get my attention.
अच्छा पूरा
Say
क्या
like
है?
what?
Yeah,
सुपर
yeah.
मार्केट में ही.
Like
अंडे बंडे तोड़ दिए हैं।
अभी
हाँ, like-
मैं बोलना नहीं चाह रहा था वो सब वैसे।
नहीं,
क्यों?
एक मतलब 6 साल पुरानी नेचर्स बात की कहानी बताओ।
तो नेचर्स बास्केट में हल्ला गुल्ला हुआ मतलब थोड़ा।
मतलब मैंने कोशिश की, माल्टा पकड़ रहा था दूर से,
हाँ।
बोल रहा था इसको जोए क्या बोलते हैं, माल्टा बोलते हैं कि क्या बोलते हैं इसको बताओ, खुद ही बोल रहा माल्टा बोलते हैं।
And
वहाँ पे
guess who
भी।
was noticing all this, which we got to know later, is my house help who was with me. So she saw these two boys monkeying around, which I didn't really notice.
मतलब stupid questions I'm asking him in
Coffee,
front
ये
of her।
coffee कौन सी है and all of that.
हाँ।
मतलब पूरा अटेंशन लेने का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, बट कुछ नहीं हुआ, मतलब बिल्कुल भी कुछ नहीं हुआ। Then I left the thought there, I came out and I had to go somewhere, तो मैं बस ऐसे जा रहा था और अचानक से she was coming in my head बार बार। तो 1 दिन हो गया, 2 दिन हो गया, 3 दिन हो गया, 3 दिन बाद मैंने DM किया,
क्या बोला?
वही तो एकदम
Class था.
वही तो।
So it was one sentence. It says, "Hi, I have something very important to tell you." And I saw the DM a day later because it was not directly into my DM. It was in the requests, right? And there goes Zaid Darbar's name, and there's one tick on it. And I was like, Zaid Darbar, okay, I heard of him, I know.
थोड़ा
He's
बहुत
Ismail Darbar's son and
थोड़ा
all of that. And I said, what does he know about me that I don't? क्या बताने वाला है? कोई गंदा सा secret बताने वाला है? क्या
Yeah,
बोलूं?
yeah, it sounds, it's a tricky line.
नहीं,
I know.
Tricky line. मैंने उस दिन रिप्लाई नहीं किया, मैंने अगले दिन मैंने कहा चल पूछ ही लेते हैं। मैंने कहा हाय यार, प्लीज टेल मी। He says, I think it's very important to tell you, you're very beautiful. And I was like, 1 second, let's go. Who's this boy?
तभी कोई चैट जीपीटी नहीं था भाई।
हाँ हाँ करेक्ट, चैट जीपीटी तो अभी आया।
Then I said, ha, so sweet, whatever. Thank you. And like, who are you, whatever. We started chatting for like the 4 or 5 sentence exchange. And then he says, okay, listen, don't get married. I was like, what? यहाँ पर
क्या पता
what is
मैंने
this
भी क्यों पूछा?
random conversation that
That
we're
is the
having?
next question.
Yeah.
That was my next question।
No,
हाँ.
a statement. Listen, don't get married. Actually, यहाँ पर वैसे ही लड़के नहीं मिल रहे जिनके साथ शादी कर पाऊँ. And this guy is मेरा पत्ता काट रहा है, कह रहा है कि शादी मत करो.
हाँ.
So I said, lol, whatever. You know, like how girls are, whatever.
हाँ.
I said, anyway, how old are you to be saying such a big statement to somebody you don't even know?
हाँ.
And he says,
पर मेरा काम तो हो गया ना जानू, मुझे पता चल गया you're single।
yeah.
हाँ।
He goes easy, yeah. He goes
Yeah,
easy.
he goes
हाँ.
easy. Then he says, I'm 24 or 25. How old did you say you
I
were?
said 24।
Yeah. And I said, listen, boy, exit this chat right now. Okay.
You said that, or
Yeah,
that was the
yeah.
sound in your
But he
head?
had your attention?
He had my attention, but I was like, what is this boy up to? Like, he's 24, 25. What is he even doing?
But listen, coming back to where we उधर उतरे तो
Yeah.
वो क्वेश्चन रह गया।
Yeah.
इन्होंने आपको मैसेज डाला that you, I just want to tell you one thing, very important thing to tell you.
Yeah.
He had your attention.
Yeah.
He said कि आप बहुत खूबसूरत हैं.
Yes.
It's direct.
Direct.
तो for a person like you,
Yeah.
ऐसी डायरेक्ट अप्रोच काम आती है?
उस फेज में, जिस फेज में मैं थी, I was like, ew, like, you know, men, क्या होता है, मर्द जात, दूर रहो. I was in that phase, okay? And so was he, जो मुझे बाद में पता चला कि he was not interested in women and all of that at that time. And he had come out of a bad phase. I had come out of a bad phase. Relationship.
women क्या
Okay, चलो, okay, you were interested in women. भाई clear कर देते हैं.
हाँ वो क्लियर कर दिया इन्होंने।
Yeah. So, but when he said that, I was like, okay, someone paying a compliment, you know, someone flirting with me was not a new thing for any woman. It's fine. But I was just like, क्या बोल रहा है?
I like the way she's looking at me. मेरे साथ कोई flirt नहीं.
Just shut up, Neha.
Even Anga doesn't flirt with me.
Gave you a slap.
Yeah.
So when he said I'm 24, 25, I said, please, bye-bye, take care, just delete, I'm getting out of this chat. And he said, he got scared suddenly. He's like, hold on, no, मैं तो झूठ बोला था. I thought you were 26, 27 year old. That's why I said I was 24, 25. 1 second, how old are you? And I said,
कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा हिल
and this is all on type, huh? I can see his panic coming, you know, like typing a deal. And I said, no, listen, please, don't waste your time because I don't want to even like indulge in a 5-minute
मैंने
flirting
पासपोर्ट
conversation.
आधार कार्ड सब भेज दिया।
He's saying, hold on, I can hear the, you know, capitals coming into the chat, and he's like,
Super.
supers, and he sends the passport, and I say, okay, he's not 24, he's 29, he was going to be 30 like in a few months, and I said, okay, that's not bad. Like 4-5
Yeah,
years
मत
is
बोलो
okay.
हाँ.
6 years. to be precise. And I said, okay, chalo, this is fine.
No, I
This
was
is fine.
27.
He'll give you one.
Let them calculate.
Because of all of this confusion that he thinks he is joking ना,
Yeah.
मतलब ये जो मजाक इनका अभी इन्होंने डाला ना बीच में, आज तक like कल के story तक all of them will put 30 and 42, 30 and 42, and I want to slap every past and all of them, you know, like not getting the facts right. So it is 35 and 42. Okay?
Yeah, this is your moment
Yeah,
because they're going
right?
to be
All
watching.
the paths,
Fuck,
all
no,
the
no,
stories.
take me
okay?
out from here. I'm 30 forever.
In his head, he is 25 forever. That's
Okay.
fine. Great. Be that.
हाँ,
But
Brian-
the confusion
Brian,
that you're
Brian.
creating, na?
हाँ यार,
हाँ,
like
18 till रहा है ये 30 ये
Anyway, so because of
Zed
that, he said
Adams.
his passport and this and that. And he said, I said, okay, then this is fine. All right, healthy. You're not I'm not cradle snatching or something like that. Anyway, so that's where the
But at that
conversation-
point, you were not cradle snatching at any point. He was the one who was coming on like,
And how? Yeah.
yeah.
And then we...
What now? I was very nice to you, Jana.
Coming on, you were the one
Yeah, like I was so
initiating the
nice.
flirtation and all
हाँ,
that.
I was so
Okay,
nice
anyway.
to you, you know.
Anyway.
But more importantly, just to add to that,
जी.
एक दिन नहीं भी लगा from the time you messaged
Yeah.
and you mentioned that in the car, एक दिन लगा गौहर को message पढ़ने में. What was going on in that one day? And where did you get this अंदर से guts like what Angad asked कि
नहीं He-Man बन गया ना अंदर से.
No, so even the 3 days waiting was tough for me
oh okay
because I actually wanted to understand that wherever you're going to step in now, it's not going to be something like सिर्फ बात कर लिया, मिल लिया, date कर लिया.
really from like Nature's Basket
Yeah.
trying to get her attention over Narangi
So the
and then
experience of my life was completely, I don't know, it was how do I explain? तो मेरी जिंदगी में मतलब बहुत कुछ हुआ है लाइफ में और वो हर पार्ट हर सिचुएशन मैंने हर तरीके से समझा. मैंने रिश्ते बहुत अच्छे से समझे क्योंकि घर में जब रिश्ते टूटते हैं तब बहुत अच्छे से समझा जाता है कि रिश्ते कैसे हैं इन अ वेरी गुड वे, पॉजिटिव वे. So I understood after my relationships also what I went through, what the other girl went through. I understood all type of people, rishtas. उस हिसाब से I understood her because the day when I started talking to her, जैसे मैंने देखा वो जिस तरीके से like a table like this, she was sitting on that for 9-10 days for hours because dad was inside और मैं वीडियो कॉल पे बात करता था तो I used to see और मैं पूछता भी था कि आप where are you sitting. तो मैंने जो गौहर को देखा वो गौहर को देखा, मैंने गौहर खान को देखा ही नहीं था when we used to talk. There I took my decision. I understood that this is the one. I mean, I'm not even looking for, but this is what you got. So you can't just leave this.
But उससे पहले क्या? Before you saw me, he said कि where did you find the courage to?
Courage होता ना.
यार वो
to
तो अभी
make
करेज
that.
में इतना पीछे रिवाइंड में ले जा रहा हूँ तो याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे करेज.
नहीं but I think
Possible.
कई बार ना ऐसे courage जरूरत ही नहीं होती. Like we were speaking to
हाँ, मैंने ऐसे
Zahir
कभी सोचा नहीं होना.
Zahir and Sona also.
हाँ.
तो वो पार्टी वार्टी में कहीं देखा and then जो like थोड़ी सी बात हुई बात नहीं हुई and then he was like he hung with her and then he saw the handle and he like ये असली है. असली सोना है ना असली
असली
है.
है.
Because she was so real,
But मुझे
pure.
समझ नहीं आया
And
था
टक करके मैसेज हो गया and then it started. Literally, I can't tell you how many COVID love stories we have come across.
That was also COVID
Yeah.
last
Yeah.
story. तो hardcore COVID मतलब
Which one?
cities pass कर दिया, permission लेके and all of
Yes,
that.
yes. So then you
हाँ,
went to
मैंने बहुत
Pune.
कुछ किया है.
You went to Pune.
I went to Pune. I tried calling a friend of mine, getting the permission. ये वो such वाली permission.
Because my father was going through
Father was in the
surgery,
hospital.
right?
हाँ
Yeah.
तब उस टाइम they give you a card to travel.
Yeah.
certificate.
Correct.
But
Intercity.
still मुझे 4-5 जगहों से रोक के बोला वापस चले जाओ. You not allowed. फिर मुझे calls लगाने पड़े वापस. मतलब it was a struggle to reach there. हर टाइम जब मुझे रोक रहे थे मुझे लग रहा था गया यार मेरा वो मिलने वाला. First time I was gonna meet her like
Oh,
properly.
so this is the
हाँ.
first physical meeting after
Yeah,
those 9
first
hours
time I ever saw him because I didn't know he was coming.
हाँ.
Oh, you
It
didn't
was
know?
just a sudden visit because he wanted to give me
Oh yeah. हाँ.
the AirPods, the
Mhm.
Yeah.
because
So
I
then
used to use the wired one. And he thought ये घंटों मुझसे ऐसे बात करती है तो let me get her something because I'm so bad with gadgets. And he just got that for me and he came to meet my
मैं
dad.
अपने दोस्त से दुकान खुलवा के ऐसे नीचे से लेके कोविड में सब बंद था ना तभी.
तब बिल्कुल.
I had to do all of that.
He reached at 1 a.m. and my father's like, who's that beta? Like he knows all my friends and he's like, ये लड़का इतने टाइम से आया है कुछ तो मतलब कुछ खास चल रहा है यहाँ.
हाँ हाँ.
So he met my dad and he was shivering, like, why am I going to meet her father or whatever? And my father had a very strong personality. First thing is, क्या करते हैं बेटे आप? He's like, I could see he's already so nervous with what he's answering, but I don't know how, you know.
I was not expecting. I was just expecting to meet you, Janu.
You know, when something is meant to be, we always, you know, as girls, we hope that one man will come across who will be in awe of you, who will respect you, who will be your best friend. We all have those kind of hopes. And after going through complete disappointment in life, where I thought that, okay, bas ab nahi, ab chahiye hi nahi, I'm okay, I'm already 35, I don't care. I'm not in that wanting phase in my life anymore. And then he appears out of nowhere, who's supposed to be younger than me, but so mature that I had never expected. I'd never imagined that he's going to take me like that, like literally like that, all across my life. And in 1 month, he proposed marriage to me. I don't know how the hell that happened.
And how did that go down in between your family, her family? कि you propose 1 महीने मिले हो, तो वो होता तो है ना, आप लड़की को सिर्फ 1 ही महीने के लिए जानते हो, तो was there any opposition? कौन
Both
पहले माना?
sides.
Yeah.
Both
Why,
sides.
like what?
यही होता है ना कि
हाँ.
what do you know about him? What do you know about her?
Yeah.
She's older than you. He's younger than you. Those kind of things. But you know, we decided. Since the day he proposed to me and he said, okay, we're doing this. Okay, we're going to get married. Okay, how are we going to do this? We made one thing very clear. आपके वाले जो भी बोले, मेरे वाले जो भी बोले, शादी में आने से अगर किसी को भी दिक्कत है, तो हम बोलेंगे प्लीज ये रहा इनवाइट, नहीं आना है मत आइए. We have to make each other happy. And I told him, I said, it was my dream to get married. I don't want to be disappointed even this much on my wedding. So you've got eyes on me, I've got eyes on you, and that's the only thing that matters.
और मतलब कैसी थी शादी? Like who was the one who was stressing? Who was the one who was chilling? Who was the one who was contributing?
Stressing?
Do you see it like, what do you
I
like,
think
you see
God
the
बहुत
energies?
ज़्यादा chill
ऐसे
कर
नहीं
रही
है,
थी.
ऐसे ही है.
वो planning, executing, showing up.
Yeah. Only showing up.
No.
Planning, executing, handling, showing
I
up.
wanted to do a lot.
Tell us, what was it like? There was a nikah.
There was a beautiful nikah.
Yeah, we saw beautiful photos.
He is very good at letting me do my thing. So he doesn't interfere in, you know, things that he knows I can take care of.
But I can, like, you know that.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Punches है इनके
मुझे
बीच.
complete तो
Because he
करने
just
दो.
reminds you I exist.
Yes.
Yeah.
He can do it all, but he lets me
Yeah.
because he knows that I will do it to the best of my ability, and he likes that. He likes that I have my, you know, say and everything. But आता है कभी-कभी जब execution हो जाता है तो एक आध sentence आता है यहाँ से जैसे कि आज ही सुबह अच्छा मैं बोलूं तो ये हो जाता है. I hate that line. But
इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा घुसता नहीं हूँ अंदर.
see,
I go like, okay, you do that.
But have there been times कि ऐसे मन कर रहा कि मैं घुस के ये रोकूं, or should I just come in the way and give my opinion, and you're like, oh, I should back off.
No, I come and I do that.
हाँ.
And
तो
then
फिर क्या होता है? फिर कितनी समस्या होती है?
सुनते हैं मेरी बात, ऐसे नहीं है, नहीं
हाँ.
सुनते. फिर बोलते हैं ठीक है, मैं जो मुझे करना है वही करती हूँ.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं
तो मैं ज़्यादा
है.
गुस्सा
What
नहीं हूँ.
nonsense! After all these years, this is what I get to hear. What nonsense! No, that's not the truth. But शादी के वक्त, it was totally me planning everything, you know,
Yeah.
because he trusted what I'm going to do, what the
Correct.
process that, you know, of course he was in the discussion and everything. I'll tell you the funniest thing. Wedding day, we have entered in our nikah outfits and everybody's like, mashallah, mashallah. We're standing there for the pictures and, you know, we're like, okay, pose like this, and Harpreet, our photographer, is like loving it and wow, kya baat hai. And he's like that, you know, he's into, yeah, he is fully like animated and God, aise karo. He's like, मुझे टॉयलेट जाना है, मुझे सोया है. I'm like, Zeb, they're calling us, it's 10 o'clock, the Maulana is there, entries हो रही हैं.
So then, did you go or did you
I
not?
had to go.
Yeah.
Had
I
to,
took
yeah.
two people with me, they were like holding everything.
As long as you were holding your own.
I was not happy about that because I was the bridezilla in me was freaking out.
Yeah.
But it was perfect. He entered, he sat. I did not expect him to cry, but he did. I
Yeah, even I
expected him to
didn't
cry.
expect.
But he
I
had told
did.
me, मुझे तो आंसू आते ही नहीं है भाई, मेरे से तो सारे emotions बचपन में ही चले गए. But he has cried on my nikah, watching me, and I was like, wow, this is like ultimate memory.
But वो honestly बोलूँ मैं, ऐसे बिल्कुल भी वो जबरदस्ती जो रोना होता है ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं था.
No, wasn't.
And honestly that day I remember because वो जो अपने आप पानी आता है ना आँख से, वो मुझे उस दिन actual में feel हुआ कि I don't know and why am I crying? I was just looking at her and I was crying and God knows what happened to me. I didn't stop for like
Yeah.
10 minutes, right?
Yeah. Throughout the nikah, we were crying.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Both
I
of you
didn't
all, huh?
stop because I
Everybody,
don't know what
everybody.
it was.
My cousins, even to date, my aunties, my puppies, my khalas, all of them say कि हमने आज तक वैसा अभी तक experience नहीं.
And really, why? You think that something like
Just
there
the
was a
mahal
spiritual
of
connection?
my nikah, that was, you know, the way we had set it up, the prayers that were going on, the music that was going on, and us and my father, him also, because you know parents are divorced, but everybody's coming together for the wedding. So it was a very, very emotional time, extreme, and his first wedding in the house, first person
yeah.
to get married, first son.
So after that,
And
you were like,
you know,
yeah.
2
Last
months after
marriage.
that, my father passed away. So it was
Oh,
almost like
Yeah.
as if my father was waiting to
For your wedding, yeah.
for my wedding, and we didn't know. He had nothing up until then, but in 2 months it escalated. In 1 month it escalated so much that within the next 15 days he was gone. So we got married December 25th, and my father passed away March 5th, which was literally 2 months 10 days.
I think you wanted to see that.
Yeah, he was just. Everybody feels like he was waiting for my wedding.
And approved by her dad.
Of course,
Approved.
yeah.
But tell me, when you're saying कि you're telling her कि नहीं मैं जितना रोना था मैंने रो लिया है. What was that? What broke you so much that you have dried up on the inside for all these years?
Actually, I don't want to say this like upfront, but I'm still gonna like say it. Now, of course, I love my parents. We all love our parents. But अब उन दोनों का ऐसी चीजें जो हुई हमारे सामने हुई और हम बहुत छोटे थे. Like I was 7, 8. I mean around 7, 8, 9. और तभी वो लोगों का separation भी हुआ. और ऐसे नहीं I'm saying that they did bad, but अब उन दोनों में हम हमेशा we were always finding love, parents love. तो वो हमेशा feel ऐसे होता था तभी कि कोई है नहीं आजू बाजू.
They felt deprived of love,
Yeah.
although they had love,
Yeah.
but
हाँ तो बस यही था. और वो इमोशंस एक दिन के नहीं होते, वो बहुत सारे इमोशंस होते हर दिन.
and trust me, none of the kids are cynical about it. They are not like negative about life at all. If you meet all of them, they don't have any complaints of life.
Like
They actually don't.
we've never asked our father once till now. Like I can tell about myself, not even once that why did you get married or why you had another child. I was like, okay, if you like it, okay, no problem. Even at the age of 10, I was okay. I was like, okay, it's fine. Even mom got married. Mom got a son. Even there, I'm going getting Kamdenu se saman for her. So you know, but inside you're dying every day. So that changed the entire process of understanding emotions.
And because you've been through so much
Yeah.
when you were younger,
Yeah.
do you look at marriage differently?
Yeah, I do. I do look at it beautifully now because what I saw was also beautiful, but that didn't work. But what I have to not learn from that, I did that. I didn't learn what
Yeah.
मुझे जो नहीं करना था मैंने वो देख लिया और समझ लिया, और जो मुझे करना है वो भी मैंने सीखा वहाँ से. फिर जो यहाँ से मैंने 5 से 6 साल सीखा है वो मेरी एक्चुअल जर्नी है. गौहर के साथ जब मेरी शादी हुई है तो when I got married to her, it was very difficult for me for the first year to understand ethics, mainly ethics. उसके बाद में मुझे समझ आया कि अच्छा बात भी ऐसी की जाती है, अच्छा आपके एथिक्स ऐसे होते हैं, सॉरी क्या होता है, थैंक यू क्या होता है, किसी का एक्चुअल में दिल दुखाना क्या होता है, किसी को गलत नहीं बोलना होता है. ये सब मुझे ये 6 साल में समझने आया.
कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं, इट्स लाइक जो बचपन में आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस रहता है विद पेरेंट्स. जैसे मैं स्पोर्ट्स से आया था तो मेरे पिताजी चाहते थे कि मैं क्रिकेट खेलूं और उन्हें बड़ी कोशिश करी. अब उनके तौर तरीके सही थे या गलत तो वो मेरे पे है.
Correct.
जो मुझे लगा सही था या जो
हाँ.
मुझे लगा गलत था, या जो मुझे लगा उस टाइम गलत था
हाँ.
आज जाके लगता है कि सही था.
Correct.
लेकिन फिर भी कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो मैं नहीं चाहूंगा कि वो मैं अपने बच्चों तक पहुंचाऊं.
Correct.
सो इट इज समथिंग दैट जो आपने रिश्ते में देखा है बचपन में,
हाँ.
या जो आपने सोचा होगा वो नहीं सही है, वो कि आप अपने बच्चों को वो नहीं देना चाहते या देना चाहते हैं.
हाँ मैंने तो बहुत ज़्यादा सोचा यार, क्योंकि मैंने जो देखा है वो तो इनक्रेडिबल चीज़ें देखी है, तो वो तो मेरे दिमाग में है ही नहीं बिल्कुल भी. लाइक आई हैव नो नेगेटिविटी अबाउट दैट, बट द पॉजिटिव पार्ट व्हाट आई हैव थॉट वाज I'm gonna like try my 100% to not abuse in front of my kids.
Mm.
I'm gonna try my level to not even have an argument with the mother in front of them. 100% I'm gonna try that, because I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna try it because it's tough. It's tough to take your emotions down in front of the kids. It's new. Everything is new for me.
fair.
So I'm gonna try doing that. The main thing, what I'm not gonna do ever in my life is not touch my child at all. कितने भी मैं गुस्से में हूँ, कुछ भी हूँ, मैंने गौर को देखा है हमेशा जब भी of course, because mothers, they are 24/7 with them. It's tough for them to understand all the emotions. I mean, we understand the emotions, but being 24/7 with the kids is completely, it's tough. I know, like it's really tough. हम लड़के of course हम कोशिश करते हैं हमेशा सपोर्ट करने की, but what they go through is completely different, and we know that.
Not
हाँ,
just
उससे
about
ज़्यादा-
wiring, also I feel कि जो आप लोग करते हो वो हम लोग नहीं कर पाएंगे. Like we try, हम लोग सीख सकते हैं, but फिर भी वो आपके मुताबिक जिस तरीके की आपकी हैंडलिंग है, जिस तरीके आप कैलेंडर्स बनाते हो बच्चों के, स्कूल की ड्यूटीज हैं, नैनीज की हैं, उनके आफ्टर स्कूल क्लब्स होते हैं, उनके क्लासेस होते हैं, उनके फ्रेंड सर्कल्स में जाना होता है, बहुत सारी चीजें. इट्स लाइक
Anga's gone through all the things he doesn't do.
Yeah.
और आई जब मैं सोचता हूँ ना उसके मैं थक जाता हूँ.
But I think कुदरत
It's,
ने बनाया ही है.
Yeah, but we know, see so many things, you know it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
That's also
that
important.
realization is important in a
Yeah, it's
man.
important. You know everything. You said it.
A lot of men don't realize that.
What is this? What is the underarm fetish?
Oh my God, where
What
did
is-
you get this information
Yeah,
from?
what is this?
How do you know?
Bye. This is
How
what we
do
do on
they know
double
this?
date.
I have no idea.
कुछ है
What?
where you
What all have
pinch
you
his-
seen?
What
Are
is
you all like in our bedrooms?
वो
ये
हाँ,
देखो
हाँ,
ये
ये
बिग बॉस और
हाँ, Big
अलायंस
Boss
के
है.
अलावा भी हमें पता है.
what is your underarm fetish and her hand touching?
मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो होता है ना, बेबी का स्किन कैसे होता है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, बेबी स्किन. हाँ,
मुलायम.
एकदम ऐसे मुलायम टाइप. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
And he also thinks that, oh, my underarms smell fresh all the time, so he wouldn't care.
But I wouldn't do anything. I just touch that.
Yeah, he
I
touches
touch
it,
that and I
and
just
then he
smell it.
smells
Get
it,
out
I
of
smell
here.
it.
and then he tell his own sister, "देख कितना अच्छी
कितना
खुशबू आ
अच्छा
रही
खुशबू आ रही
है,"
है.
and Anna will be like, "What are you talking about? Like, what?
No,
I
but
wouldn't
I'm
mind.
surprised I have this information.
Why
so-
the hell do you have this
I don't know,
information?
but then that's
Who out of you has been doing the research?
I think it's him.
No, Mansi, thank you.
Okay.
हाँ, हमारे researchers दिल्ली में बैठे हुए बहुत
Yeah,
दूर
and
दूर
he
से.
likes this.
Yeah.
Yeah, which I hate.
What is
So he
that?
doesn't do the nail.
No
he,
cuticle.
He wants me to push his cuticle, and
Oh.
I hate it because
Yeah, I
I
don't know
think,
why I like
and I think he'll get hurt. So
Huh.
I'm like, I don't want to do it, and then he'll be like, "देखा stop कर दिया ना." I'm like, I don't want to do it.
Can you tell them about Zehan?
And
what
guess
he
who
did?
else has that habit?
Oh, your son.
My son.
He has the
I-
same habit.
I hate this habit. Like I hate it,
हाँ.
and my son has it.
Fruit doesn't fall far, na?
No, listen what has happened.
Hmm.
So after he's 1 year old, yeah, we have realized that he does the same thing. So I'm trying to brainwash him into not doing it. Zehan, okay? He's gone into Alliance, he's come out, and Zehan has missed Zaid so much that in the
Yeah.
car he's sitting on his lap, नींद से उठ के, and he's trying to impress his father by saying what? Look, Abba, I'm doing it for you. Look,
Swear,
Abba.
यार. I was like, ये यार क्या है भाई, ये
I was
इसका
like,
प्यार.
Zehan, you were so
First time I saw that love, because after 45 days seeing
Hmm.
Zehan going all for Abba, मतलब इतना प्यार, तो मैं तो ऐसे हो गया था कि यार ये क्या कर रहा है मेरे साथ. मतलब
And what was the hard part?
Use that.
Thank you,
हार्ड पार्ट
Gucci.
तो मेरा यही था यार, बच्चों को छोड़ के जाना अंदर. मतलब मुझे एकदम दिमाग में ऐसा था कि यार बच्चे से मैंने लाइफ में जब से आया है जेहान और फरवान, नॉट इवन लाइक 24 आवर्स वी हैव नॉट स्पोकन. ऐसा एक भी दिन नहीं गया कि बात नहीं हुई है. मतलब दिन क्या घंटे भी नहीं हुए हैं ऐसे लंबे कि बात नहीं हुई है. सो आई वाज जस्ट वरिंग अबाउट अंदर जाने के पहले ये मैं कैसे सॉर्ट करूंगा, लाइक नॉट टॉकिंग टू देम, नॉट टॉकिंग टू हर. तो वो
Yeah,
मुझे
he didn't say, but he never said, "But how will I stay with that?" He said, "मैं Zehan के बिना कैसे रहूँगा?"
मैंने
Yeah.
लास्ट में लाइन बोल दिया
हाँ.
फॉर यू आल्सो जानू प्लीज.
Yeah, no.
सब मैं
so-
दे रहा हूँ वीडियो पे अच्छे से आप.
हाँ. No, don't give anything you don't want to give. If
No,
you
no,
didn't
no.
miss God, then you didn't miss out.
No, I missed it.
me after going inside.
After going inside,
But
I missed
before
it.
you did.
No, I didn't. I was like,
Tough.
मैं बच्चों से कैसे नहीं
He
बात
didn't
करूँ.
think that he would miss me.
No, of course I thought, I talk to you only na every
Yeah.
day. How I'll call Zehan?
Yeah, but
I
you
call
don't
you.
think it would be that difficult to live without your wife. It would be difficult to live without your son.
मतलब अभी सच बोलूं तो फिर यही है.
हाँ तो वही
हाँ,
ना, but
हाँ.
पड़ गया ना. हाँ,
But
He's such a कार्डी मास्टर. ये
बट भाई एक हफ्ते में तो जो मुझे गौहर की याद आने लगी अंदर, मैंने बोला भाई बच्चे साइड में हो जा, गौहर कहाँ है तू?
Did you make real friends? कि बस अभी
I
नई
did.
पार्टी के लिए
No, no,
जाएंगे.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं है
दोस्त
यार. I
देखेंगे,
did.
or did you really? Where did you find true friendship? In whom?
एक तो मेरी नीति बहुत अच्छी दोस्त बनी है, क्योंकि नीति को मैं पहले से भी जानता हूँ. पहले से मैं तो when I was in शामक, when I used to dance. तो नीति वॉज माई पुरानी दोस्त. तो यहाँ पे आके और अच्छे हम दोस्त बन गए. दूसरा मेरा कोई दोस्त बना वो अपना हीरो
कौन?
खुशहाल. खुशहाल यार.
Wow.
Yeah, I met him. खुशहाल is like the वो वाला friend कि पता चल जाता है लौंडा लौंडा अपना वाला दोस्त. Then my first priority is Sohail bhai, because Sohail bhai was so like in love with me. I was in love with him. We both were like this together.
But he came in later, na, to the house.
Yeah, but then the
Second
second
week,
week, the day one when he entered, and मैं मिल चुका हूँ उन्हें पहले भी बहुत बार, और उनके साथ मैं रहा हूँ मतलब पहले भी. बट यहाँ पे 24 घंटा उनके साथ रहना बहुत अलग था. And whatever I could do for him, I did in the show, and he loved me for that.
He
I-
calls him Ma.
Yeah, he calls me
Ma
माँ.
है.
तू माँ है हाँ.
क्यों माँ क्यों?
Because मैं माँ
Because
हूँ
there he is
actually.
Ma.
he's
I
caring,
am
he's
mother.
supportive.
He's very caring towards
I am,
everybody. He is. Because
We
you know,
don't care.
whenever like there was a situation in the house in Alliance where the Payal and all were teasing him, saying that oh लड़कियों के साथ रहता है whatever. It didn't bother me because I know my Zaid. I know he is like that. अगर
Yeah.
किसी का चेन ऐसा होगा तो वो सीधा करेंगे. He
किसी का
will
मतलब
do
जिसको
that.
मैं जानता हूँ. किसी को जाके नहीं करूँगा ऐसे.
नहीं मतलब जो उनके
मतलब with love I
proximity
do
में
it.
है जो दोस्त
Yeah,
हैं.
Yeah.
What I want to ask you is that you had past relationships, ठीक है, those who have been experiences. Then you met Zaid. आप में did you have a type that you used to fall for? Fall for the wrong.
You don't want to know that.
No, I want.
Type. No, I didn't have a type. I had all kinds. But the only thing that I was seeking was someone to be secure about me as a person and love me like a child. That combination is very deadly. I know I would never get that. How did this man have the maturity to give me that exact combination without even asking? I was not asking that of him. Right? एक महीने में propose कर दिया. Why did I say yes? Because of everything that he was, about how he made me feel.
Easy to be married to Gauhar, na?
Hmm?
Is it easy to be married to Gauhar?
Yeah, it is.
बहुत टाइम लगाया
No,
भाई
no, no.
उसने
It
यहाँ
is.
बोलने में.
You just have to be yourself. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're gonna play with her, then no, impossible.
Come on.
You just have to be you.
Hmm.
Be stupid, be whatever. Just be you. Or else you're.
ये बनाए ये बन.
We don't need anything else. We're not editing this line. You can call us as many times as you want. But this
Angad
is the
got
line.
his punchline.
मिला.
On that note, just
अब तुम कितनी मर्जी बोर्ड के में खिला लो मुझे बोला.
where should we play the
Scored.
game?
Angad has scored.
Very simple board game. आप
Yeah.
दोनों को सवालों के जवाब देने हैं. Who has to, guys? Listen to the question very carefully. Who has to win every fight and argument? Not who wins. Who has to?
ये स्पेलिंग तो शायद करेक्ट
जरा थोड़ा
है.
जल्दी में शॉर्ट फॉर्म ही लिख सकते हो.
He's written guava.
See, she's only
ठीक है.
who handles stress better.
Oh my god. Why?
Yeah, no, I'm the calmest one in the family.
You cannot handle stress. You get bukhar in 1 second.
But I
The
handle
day
you,
you are
Janu.
stressed.
But I handle you so much.
Next question.
No, I handle
Guys,
you.
guys,
That's
just
the truth.
Zed,
Zed.
इसको मिटा दे.
You're shining. Yeah.
You're shining, you're shining.
Alliance so try double date where you are shining. I want my
What?
friend to shine.
Yeah, Janu.
You I'm stressed for you.
No, you're not stressed. Like I handle your stress also.
You wait what's going to happen to you after this.
All right. Who has more friends? Oh, is that right? Yeah, but she's also
Show me.
busy.
Yeah.
Why do you think?
Why do I
Because
think
I have a bhandar of friends.
someone is a social butterfly in the last couple of years? Yeah.
No,
2 years to be precise.
Sorry.
But I have
No, I
very
wasn't
few
that
friends. No,
Janu,
the last
come on.
couple of years.
No, I stopped for 2 years because we got married.
No, Janu, you
you
have become
remember?
more social now.
Dubai. Here.
Okay, fine, whatever.
Was
But
it?
I have very few friends. For the last 25 years, they are only my friends. Yeah, that's it.
अभी बस मैं दिख के आ रहा हूँ दोस्त के साथ जा रहा हूँ.
Keep quiet.
पहले दिख के नहीं आता था.
Who hogs the closet space?
Closet space. Very specifically, I'm going to write. But इसका backstory I'll tell you now.
Yeah.
Now G. Okay. What have you written?
Z now G.
Yeah, correct. So Z in the last 3, like we've bought 3-4 apartments ever since we've gotten married, shifting, getting married, all of that. Shifting, lifting, कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो रहा है. He has taken over all wardrobes for the last 4 years, but now in the new house that we are moving into now, I have a bigger wardrobe.
Well
and
done.
he has told me, God ने बहुत sacrifice किया. पिछले 4 साल से अभी गौर को बढ़ा देने दो. So yeah,
Oh, sweet.
yeah.
And okay.
ये तो आंसर पता है शायद.
हाँ.
8.
Yeah, do we need
नहीं,
to
हाँ,
ask?
पूछ लो फिर भी.
Yeah, डांट कौन ज्यादा खाता है?
डांट कौन ज्यादा खाता है?
Yeah.
भाई you can ask.
Yeah. You leave it blank.
हरकतें करेंगे तो मिलेगी ना. डांट के लिए हरकतें भी तो
Why is
होनी
he
चाहिए.
thinking? But
No, I don't believe you.
all right, who's more competitive?
Oh God, do we
Oh
even
God.
write it?
एक question.
Oh God, we've already just written the same thing.
All right.
I think
I'm the most chilled out
I
one.
think the world would know that.
This you can't show each other. Last but not the least, which other reality show should the other go on? So for her, you can't write Big Boss, and for him, you can't write Alliance.
Oh, sorry, I was writing for myself. Okay, fine. So what he should go for?
He should go for, and what she should go for.
Alliance का spelling बोल दो मुझे एक बार.
ALL
Alliance
ALL
में
तो आता है
Reliance
मुझे.
बोला.
I
I भी आता है मुझे.
A
A नहीं आता था.
N C E. Don't confuse me.
Okay.
ANC.
Correct.
मैं रिलायंस बोलने वाला.
Reliance के show पे
No,
मुझे भी
CE
जाना
ना.
है.
100%.
100%.
She will
Oh
win.
really?
Yeah.
Please save this. You have to save this because she is gonna win this show for
Oh,
sure.
Janu, so sweet. Thank you.
Oh, that's just so
Yeah.
sweet. Should we go and have some fun?
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready for a
Yes.
splash?
Okay, let's go.
But I want to tell you guys, more
Yeah.
importantly, thank you for doing this. बड़े मजे आ रहे हैं हमको. The chat has been amazing. We're at Neon Splash in Andheri, very close to your house.
Yeah.
And आपके बच्चे, हमारे बच्चे यहाँ पे अलग-अलग आ सकते हैं, साथ में आ सकते हैं, and they can have a great time. But more importantly, should we just beta test this place as parents?
Okay.
Okay. Are you
Okay,
ready?
let's do this.
What are we doing?
ये जो कप है इसको आधा आधा भरना है सब कलर से.
सारे कलर से.
तो ये आधा ये देखिए सब कलर.
There was no beef with Nikhil.
What happened?
I actually don't have any beef with Nikhil. क्योंकि शो पे जाने से पहले तो मैंने जैद को बोला था कि I really like Nikhil and his experience at reality shows, which stays even now. I think he is amazing. लेकिन उन्होंने एक बहुत ही गैर जिम्मेदार सेंटेंस बोला बाहर,
हाँ.
which पता नहीं क्यों बोला. I'm sure he also doesn't understand why he said it.
When he
हाँ,
came to me, he
हाँ.
said that. कि अरे even I don't know why I said that line.
लाइक मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर सोहेल भाई नहीं होते,
हाँ.
इट्स थैंक्स टू सोहेल भाई की डेकोरम मेंटेन रहा.
देखो आपको जो फील है वो 100% राइट है, because the first week when Sohail bhai was not there, Ravi Kishan was there. So when he was there, it was the similar feel that Ravi Kishan is he's older.
कोई इज्जत देनी है.
तो इज्जत
हाँ.
देनी है, तो वो हमें कभी भी वो मौका नहीं मिला समझने का कि अगर एक रवि किशन शो में ना हो और सोहेल खान शो में ना हो तो कैसा होता है ये. तो हमें कभी वो मौका मिला ही नहीं समझने का.
First तो पहले आर्ट दिखा दो ना. Gauhar and mine is the same, पर आप comments में बताइए किसका आर्ट आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. More importantly, so speaking of the house, let's go take a splash. Let's take a few last quick questions,
Yeah.
just like the board game.
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Yeah?
we are ready.
Okay. You can feel free. We can turn around and you can write the answers on us. You can splash us. You can do whatever you want.
Okay.
With this, you can leave the initials and leave the audience to guess.
Okay.
जो आपकी मर्जी है. Alright. In the Alliance house, Alliance के set में सारे जो जवाब होंगे Alliance के members के होंगे. In the Alliance house, Angad, you want to take a cue card and go on.
But मैं कैसे announce कर, मैं कैसे जवाब
But
दूंगी
you've
फिर?
seen the show, ना?
अच्छा वैसे.
The Pookie Who's a villain? Who you thought would be sweet but turned out to be a villain?
Villain तो कोई नहीं था वैसे.
But ठीक है, not sweet. The Pookie who was not the Pookie.
Okay, Pookie was not the Pookie.
Yeah. Oh my God! Martin, we have to come here.
I knew it.
Okay, fine. Next question. The villain who was not the villain.
The villain who was not the villain.
हाँ.
Yeah, please go
Who
ahead.
was a Pookie?
You know, I've told you everything.
I'm saying from audience perspective.
Good.
Okay.
No, from like for me,
हाँ,
what I
जो
have
देखा है
seen.
वही ना
हाँ,
जो देखा है इन्होंने.
All right.
Zed, you're also supposed to write
I'm
answers.
writing now with you.
No,
Guys,
you get
guys,
a,
come
you
here,
get a
come
splash
here.
for not answering.
बस.
Yeah. The Chupa Rustam player. लगता सीधा है पर निकला शातिर. You both can write different answers also. Oh, Zed.
और दोनों ने देखा.
Well done. Okay.
Who should have been the winner? Can't Zed?
Okay, I'm not writing my name.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't write your name.
From this point on, no Zed for any of the answers.
But Zed can write somebody else.
I can write who actually won.
According to him, so of course Minnie should win. He was fully in favor of Minnie, na?
Okay,
I
Best
fine.
friends. हाँ.
अच्छा sympathy card किसने खेला?
Sympathy card.
हाँ.
Arsalan. Okay.
Arsalan.
Okay.
Okay. Other than Sohail, who probably got paid the most? यहाँ पे लिख दो.
Ali, yeah, correct.
Ali, why
Okay.
or I don't know.
हाँ, why?
Or
बस ना एक ही आंसर और me.
or me.
Oh, okay,
Oh.
fine.
बस Was Kushal bullied or was the bully?
No, he wasn't bullied for sure. He
No, he bullied.
is the bully.
He
Yeah.
Bully, लिख दो bully.
Many times I want to write.
You have coverage.
मैडम bully का sign करो जल्दी.
BULLY.
Correct.
Okay, last 4 questions, guys. You are too good. बहुत लोग होते हैं ना वो side से निकल जाते हैं without answering. If you were the producer, the top 3 in next year's cast would be
3 की जगह है.
मैं कैसे देखूं?
Gauhar.
गौ लिख दो, how does it matter?
पूरा लिखूंगा मैं जानता हूँ.
हाँ.
नेहा भी लिखो जाना.
अरे
According to me, if I was the bully, I'm telling you. I mean, if I was the producer, not the bully.
आपका कहने का मतलब प्रोड्यूसर bully है?
I trust.
Ranvijay should be.
Oh, अच्छा. Good
Yeah,
call.
Ran. Yeah.
Guys, I have to say, you guys have done so well.
Thank you.
You're amazing.
Thank you.
Top.
Getting to know you
Are you?
has been amazing. Gauhar,
Thank you.
there's a reason why you have so much love
Very
from all of us, from all of them.
Thank
Guys,
you.
अगर आप लोगों को भी उतना ही मजा आया हमारा एपिसोड देख के, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, comment, keep watching. We'll be back with another episode of Double Date next Thursday as well. और उससे पहले जितना प्यार आपके दिल में है गौहर और जैद के बीच में बांट दीजिए, और अगर थोड़ा सा भी बचे हमें दे दीजिए.
चेहरों पे नहीं.
Angan, we are closing. What's going on?
Holy है.
Holy है, guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment.
Alright.